Hey everyone, we're here today with a 2016 Mazda 6 and we are going to replace the window, door lock, and mirror switch on the driver's door. Start by taking a pick tool, getting under this rubber cover, and just pulling it out like that. Next, we're going to take a retainer popper. We're going to put it underneath this trim as much as we can and gently pry up. Okay, we got it moving a bit. Now we're going to take this plastic trim tool and while levering up a bit with this, there we go, we can get this plastic tool under here and finish the job here. Let's take this away as this can be a little more abrasive. Put it back under here. Let's lift up a little more. It's probably good enough to finish by hand now. So there we go. And what you're doing there at the end is you're pulling back like that because you've got this tongue here. That sits in there. The harness doesn't have a lot of slack in it, but there's enough if you stand it up like this. There's the first one. Now on the lower connector, the release tab is underneath. There's the assembly right there. Now when you buy this new switch, you're not going to get the trim ring with it. So to remove that, we have to release the 6 clips. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we're going to go back to this. Okay, we got them all loose on one side. That's it. Oh, they fell back. What I'm going to do is I'm going to keep the finger in here to prevent them from falling back. Okay, last one. There. That's the switch assembly you'll get. Take your new one. All we're going to do is push it in. stand it up here like before. I'm going to put the lower connector in first. The upper. And we're going to take this. You're going to want to angle it a little bit that way. And then bring it back. We're going to make sure that tongue goes in first. And that will align the whole thing. Make sure before you push the side clips down that this is all the way up. And then when it is, it's going to snap into place right at the bottom there. Take this, drop that back in. Let's test it out. One touch up and down is working on the front passenger window, not here. Let's try again. Okay, so if yours isn't working, just have the window go up all the way to the top and then wait a couple seconds until you hear a click and it should be good. Let's check this one. Let's check this one. All right, that's it. Nothing to it. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.